Cell theory or cell syndrome state that organisms are composed of similar units of organization is called cell. Basic principle of theory. All organizations are made up of one or more cells. All cells came from pre-existing cells. The cell is the basic unit of structure and organization that perform life function. And there are 6 modern tenets of the cell theory. Number 1. All known living things are made up of cells. Number 2. The cell is structural and functional units of all living things. Number 3. All cells came pre-existing cell by division. Number 4. Cell contains heredity information which is passed from cell during cell division. Number 5. All cells are basically the same in chemical composition. And last, all energy flow, like metabolism and biochemistry of life, occurs within the cells. We are now in discovery of the cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. In 1665, Robert Hooke used a microscope to examine thin slice of quartz. He observed that quartz is made of tiny hollow compartments. The compartment reminded him of a small room, so he gave the room name cells. In 1673, Antonie Van Leewenhoek was the first to view living cell organism. Leeuwenhoek used a simple handheld microscope to view pond water and scraping from his teeth. Lorin Oken. He was the first person who came up with cell theory. He said that all living organisms originate from and consist of cells. In 1833, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus of the cell. He is perhaps the best known from his discovery of the random movement of microscopic particles in a surrounding solution, or referred to as Brownian motion. Matthias Leiden was the botanist that came to a very important conclusion in 1838. He observed plant tissues from multiple species. He realized that all plants are made of cells. He also accepted the importance of nucleus discovered by Robert Brown in 1858. In 1839, THEODOR SCHWANN proposed that all organisms are made of cells. He was the person who came up with the word metabolism that defined the chemical changes that take place in cells.